Hello students, just I can't stop myself. Just 2 days ago I came to a marriage program. There I heard the sound of Sehnai. So I played for you so that you can also hear. But do you know the sound of Sehnai, it's somehow it is having a terminating attraction. Whenever I heard about this Sehnai, no, I just become spellbound. But there are some others also who told, ए बंद कर ये सहनाई नहीं तो मैं तेरा पुंगी बजा दूंगा. बट आई टोल्ड, ए बेटा ज़्यादा नौटंकी नहीं. सहनाई का शब्द होता है हर जगह में, हर कोने से गूंजता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द सहनाई, it's having a great effect in our heart. From North India to South India, from East India to West India, everywhere during any festival, during any marriage anniversary, you must hear the sound of Sehnai. So let's start today Abhijit sir's class with this chapter of class 9 behind the sound of music of part 2, that is the Sehnai of Bismillah Khan. Now, whenever we thought of Sehnai, no, the first name came to our mind is of Bismillah Khan. He is a legendary person. Legendary. Why I will say that legendary? Because the person who has the credit or who has brought this Sehnai in from traditional stage to classical stage, he is the person who played Sehnai after India got freedom. Then our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, he gave the speech of trust and destiny. So this is the person Bismillah Khan, and from the name of the chapter you easily understood the chapter is about the legendary Sehnai player Bismillah Khan. It's the biography of Bismillah Khan. So, the talent whichever is inside you, no one can stop you. This also happens with Bismillah Khan. As it is his biography, we should know. Do you know? He was born in a remote village of Bihar. In a remote village of Bihar, that is Dumrao. It is in Bihar. And another interesting things I want to say. Listen, I told one thing, no, that in the party one boy told me, stop the playing of Sehnai, otherwise मैं तुम्हारा pungi बजा दूंगा. So do you know Sehnai and pungi, these two words are having some connection. Actually, pungi is also a instrumental, reeded instrument which was played during Mughal Empire, Mughal साम्राज्य के समय में. सोचो, when Aurangzeb Shah was the emperor, he banned the playing of pungi. Pungi was an instrument played at that time. Aurangzeb, he banned the playing of pungi because it was a very unpleasant sound coming out from pungi. And सम्राट है, गुस्से में आ गया, ए बंद करो कल से पुंगी बजाओगे तो तुम्हारा पुंगी बजा दूंगा मैं. So from that onwards the playing of pungi has been stopped. But from there only the Sehnai came. One nai, what? One nai, जिसे हम लोग कहते हैं barber. One barber. His family was having the connection with music playing, so he tried that we can or I can make the sound of pungi into a pleasant one. He took one long reed and make some holes there. Then after trying, he played a very pleasant sound, and definitely he is having some access in emperor's court, and he went there and told Aurangzeb Shah, say, I will play this will be a pleasant sound, although it is just look like pungi, but it will be played in a pleasant way. So Aurangzeb heard that music and he became extremely just pleasant, he became happy, delighted, and the name has been given as it was invented by a nai and it was played in the court of औरंगजेब शाह, तो किसी शाही कोर्ट में बजाया गया था, इसीलिए इसका नाम दिया गया है क्या, शहनाई. सो हाउ the instrument Shehnai came and the name has been given, you understood now? It has been played and invented by a nai and it has been played in औरंगजेब शाह कोर्ट, शाही कोर्ट में, इसीलिए इसका नाम दिया गया था शहनाई. अंडरस्टूड? सो पुंगी एंड शहनाई बोथ आर हैविंग कनेक्शन बट इट इज़ डिफरेंट. अब अगर कोई तुम्हें बोले कि तुम्हारा पुंगी बजा दूंगा, व्हाट विल यू से? इसका मतलब समझ जाओगे. ओके, अनप्लीजेंट साउंड होता है. नाउ कम टू द मेन पॉइंट. एक्चुअल व्हेन शहनाई वाज इन्वेंटेड, it was only played in temples in marriage anniversary, but this person Bismillah Khan, he brought Shehnai into classical stage. He was the first person who played Shehnai in the Abraham Lincoln Hall of USA, first Indian who played there, and he also awarded with Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan. And when India got freedom 1947, at the age of that day, he played Shehnai first because it is a symbol of auspicious thing. Then Jawaharlal Nehru gave his great speech, Trust and Destiny. And in this chapter, we will know his biography also. When Bismillah Khan was a small boy, he played Shehnai. He learnt it from his maternal uncle. अपने मामा से सीखे थे. His maternal uncle was a Shehnai player in the temple of Banaras. From there he learned the playing of Shehnai. And do you know, छोटा भीम के साथ बिस्मिल्ला खान का थोड़ा सा कनेक्शन है. छोटा भीम क्या पसंद है छोटा भीम को? यस, लड्डू. यू नो दैट. छोटा भीम को लड्डू पसंद है ना. तो बिस्मिल्ला खान ऑल्सो वॉज ए ग्रेट लवर ऑफ लड्डू. डुमराव में चैता का भजन गाते थे उस समय शहनाई बजा के. ही प्लेड शहनाई एंड ही वॉन द फर्स्ट प्राइज. ही गॉट अ बिग साइज लड्डू. तो उस लड्डू के अट्रैक्शन में उनको शहनाई की तरफ और खींचते गए. जैसे छोटा भीम को लड्डू मिले तो एनर्जी मिल जाता है, तो इस लड्डू के लिए ही हो सकता है तब भी छोटा भीम आता था या बिस्मिल्ला खान को दिखाई देता था, मे बी. सो दैट्स वाई he also attracted by laddu and he played Shehnai. But after that he played Shehnai and he brought some rags, some different classical sounds through his Shehnai. He played it in different notes, different tunes. The flowing of river Ganga, it germinated him. The sound of the flowing river, it brings a lot of joy inside Bismillah Khan's heart, and he played Shehnai in different tone, different notes, Dhupad Rag, different ragas has been brought into his Shehnai. And then he, for the first time in 1938, when he played in Allahabad for All India Radio, that was his first playing of Shehnai into radio, and that was his big break, and that time onwards he never looked back. So he played throughout the world. He played Shehnai in front of the so many audience, and later on one of his, although he roamed throughout the world, Bismillah Khan, for playing Shehnai he roamed throughout the world, and one of his greatest disciples, he offered Aurangzeb, sir, please come to USA and I am opening one school for you, please come. But as he was a great lover of our country, Bismillah Khan, he neglected, he rejected. He told his disciple that I love my country. When I am in Delhi, I missed Banaras. When I am in Banaras, I missed my village Dumrao. And when I remain outside, I missed my country India. So he was a great patriot. So he told to his disciple, okay beta, I will open the school there, but for one condition, you have to bring the temple of Banaras at the same time river Ganga. तुम इंडिया से रिवर गंगा टेम्पल को उठा के लाओ यहाँ पे, बिना गंगा रिवर के फ्लोइंग से आई कांट प्ले द म्यूजिक फ्रॉम माई हार्ट. सो ही इज डिसिपल अंडरस्टूड दैट ही इज ए ग्रेट लवर. एंड अनदर थिंग बेटा, national unity, harmony. Listen, Bismillah Khan, he was from Muslim community, but he played Sehnai for Hindu festival, Hindu temples. Is it not unity in diversity? A Muslim person, no one hates him. कोई बिस्मिल्लाह खान को हेट करते हैं? नहीं करते. कोई APJ अब्दुल कलाम को कोई हिंदू हेट करते हैं? नहीं करते हैं ना. उसी तरह कोई मुस्लिम स्वामी विवेकानंद को, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस को हेट करते हैं? नहीं करते हैं ना. Because this is the unity. He was a Muslim, but he played Sehnai for Hindu temples, Hindu marriages, and we also people, Hindu people, वही सहनाई को, बिस्मिल्लाह खान के सहनाई को अपने फेस्टिवल में, अपनी शादी में बजाते हैं. These are the great tribute for the person. So student, this is the all about the story, all about the chapter. You have to read it, and if you found any doubt, you will ask me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.